How to change EasyPaisa number. If you want to change the number on your EasyPaisa account, it is very simple for you to do so. What you have to do is you have to go ahead and first of all launch the EasyPaisa app. If you're signed into your account, first of all, you also want to make sure that you're signed out. Now, whenever you go to the login screen, it will ask you to enter your mobile number. So, of course, enter your mobile number and try to tap the verify button. The thing is that you have to try to change your phone number on EasyPaisa during the login process again. So whenever you're prompted to log in, it will send a verification code. So you can enter the new number you want to create your EasyPaisa account with. And that will normally just help you go ahead and then let you enter your CNIC number and other issuance dates. Then you can tap the next button to change your account number. If this option is not working, then the only alternative that I have for you is that you try to contact the customer support. So when you're trying to contact the customer support, you will be asked to enter other sort of details. And once then, they will let you know if you can change your registered mobile number on your EasyPaisa app. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.